Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M4 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification or the toggles that are located on the right side. So pull down on the right side. As you can see, we'll get these toggles right here. If you do the same thing but from the left side instead, you get your notifications instead. So that is not what we're looking for. So you can swipe, in this case, to the right, or technically swipe to the left, but you get what I mean, hopefully. So from here, look for the toggle for the screen recorder, which for me, oh, there we go, it's right over here. So once you find your screen recording toggle, you can simply tap on it. This will give you this overlay right here with a couple toggles. Also gives you a information at the beginning, so press the red circle to record. You have the folder for viewing your recorded screens, and then you have also settings, which if you're doing this for the first time, I do recommend checking out the settings first, just so we can see what kind of settings we're dealing with here. So we have resolution, which is set to be the highest for this device. We have video quality at 60 megabits. I'm going to change it to 24 just to keep it high. Orientation, I would keep it on auto, meaning that when the screen is in, for instance, like portrait orientation as it is right now, the video will be also in that orientation. Sound source, system sound, that's completely up to you. You can have mute, mic, or system sound. And we also have frame rate right here, which is kind of getting in the way, so I'm going to move it. So there we go, frame rate. And unfortunately, we are capping frame rates at 30 frames. So honestly, for 30 frames, video quality probably won't be utilizing the 24 megabits per second. So I'm going to drop it back to 16. I don't think you're going to get any visible difference between changing it to anything higher. Anyway, once you went to the settings and customize them to your liking, you can click on the record button, and as you can see, it automatically starts recording. So whatever I'll do right now will be recorded by the device. So I'm just gonna kind of like flip around through different things so there is something recorded. And once you're done, you can interact with this again. Click on the red square, and this will save your recording to the gallery application. So that's one way that you can view your recording in here. Or you can also tap on this folder, which for some reason just crashed. Outstanding Xiaomi. So the folder apparently is unusable because it just keeps crashing. So let's go to the gallery instead. And in here we have the video recording. So just tap on it, allow, and as you can see, there it is. So as you can see, this is how you record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.